Hi there, today I will watch a video called Happy Kitten with social media ringtones. Enjoy watching. Cool, done. Unusual. I like.
You having fun again? Go wash the dishes, otherwise I'll turn off your internet now.
Already going.
A few moments later.
Let's continue. Cute. What? What's wrong with my PC? Why is the video playing slower?
What? Dad and I spent a lot of money on your PC, and you broke it. How is that possible? Quickly go wash the floors, then wash the dishes, and also cook dinner for us and go for a walk with a dog. Or do you want to continue using such a PC?
No. Already going.
5 hours later.
I did everything and my mom called the master, who came and made my PC. Let's continue. Beautiful.